Hi guys, welcome to today's video. We are in the midst of playing with some blocks, aren't we, Sophia? And so I thought I would hop on here and talk about different ways that you can provide aided language input while you're doing a simple play activity like blocks. And it's such an open-ended activity when you are playing with blocks, so it's super easy. So I have two different vocabularies with me right now. If you see my other AAC at Home series, you know that I use the word power vocabulary from Sotillo, mostly with my son. And then this is just our low-tech board that I printed off. It's the Tell Me 88 board. And then up at the top, I use their emulator that you can download for free called Chat Editor. And it has a capture feature button. And then I got my fringe up there at the top because that's powerful, that's motivating, especially playtime whenever they're wanting to request what they want to play with. So we are playing blocks right now, and that's right. So she just said that I made a bird. So if you're talking about pronouns, you could be talking about, I want to make a castle, or I want to make a tower. Are you going to help me, or what do you want to make? I need to make it taller. So I, my, you are great words, simple words to incorporate into this activity. And when you're doing the aided language input, remember that aided language input is just whenever you're showing and telling a word at the same time for the purpose of teaching the language. You are not expecting a response from the student necessarily for them. And what I mean by that is, like, we don't expect them to repeat or imitate us right away. That's not the purpose of it. The purpose is just to teach them the language by showing and telling a word using the language that they're using. So right now I'm going to ask my daughter, whoops, wrong one. What are you making right now?
I'm going to see if I can make a tower.
Oh, you like that idea? So are you going to build it up really tall and high?
I'm going to see if I can.
I bet you can too. So as I'm talking to her, or if you're talking to your child, you're just picking one or two words out of that utterance to then display to them and to show them how it's visually represented on their language system, whichever language system that may be.
See if I can build a nest now.
So we talked about pronouns. We did a couple of question words with what. You could also do where should I put the green block? They could be giving you commands and telling you where to put the blocks with whatever thing that you're building. And then with verbs wise, you can obviously do the want with what do you want to make. Make as well with we are going to make a tower. We are going to oops. Oh
okay.
no.
It's okay. No.
I destroyed it.
Okay, you can just put his feet back on.
Oh, you're so sweet telling me that it is.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to make a nest.
All right. I only have a limited view with my camera here. So look, you made a bird. Make is a great word. What should we do?
Go.
Oops, go. Where should it go? Not the word I meant to hit.
Do.
What should we do? You could talk about like come sit by me or come help me. Help is obviously a great word when you're building things together. Put.
That's for my bird.
Where are we going to put the orange block? Ooh.
I made a nest for my bird. See.
I see what you did. Yeah, you made a rolling nest.
You.
You did a great job.
And my tower is behind it because it's the seat for the bird.
Oh, yeah?
This is his carriage. Now I'm going to take him off.
So we had our verbs that we went over. You can also work in prepositions with, we're going to put them on top of one another. We're going to take this one off. You're going to put it in. So if you were making like a cage, sometimes we like to make cages, right, Sophie, with our blocks for our animals or dinosaurs if you're playing with them. And so then you can make a cage and then talk about putting the different animals in the cage that you made with the blocks and everything. And then don't forget to work on commenting. So just a little bit ago, I told her that you did a great job. You can talk about if they like the activity or like what you made, or if they don't like it. Another great activity to do with blocks that most kids that I've worked with love is after you build the tower up really high, then you get to knock it down. And this is a great activity to build up anticipation with. So, okay, 1, 2, 3, knock it down. And then it all comes tumbling down. And then, should we put more on? Should we do it again? Are we going to do it again and build it up? So those are all great words that you can be working on while you're playing with blocks at home, to give you guys some ideas. Thank you for watching today. Please subscribe, comment below, like the video. And if you have other ideas or playthings that you would, toys and everything that you would like me to talk about how you can do aided language input and kind of see how we work through that, please leave a comment or message me and I will get one of those videos posted. Thank you for watching.